Welcome back. In this lecture, we will move from theory to practice by creating a simple function and writing our first unit test for it. We will cover the correct file structure, the basic test assertion, and how to execute the test suite from your terminal. 1. The code under test. First, we need the code we want to test. We'll create a file named calculations.py with two simple functions, add and subtract. For this lecture, we will focus on writing tests for the add function. 2. Writing the test file. Following best practices, we create a separate file, typically named starting with test underscore, here test_calculations.py. We import unitest and the add function. Our test class inherits from unitest.testCase. We write two methods, both starting with test underscore, using the key assertion method self.assert equal to compare the actual output of our function with the expected output. 3. Running the test suite. The simplest way to run the tests is by executing the test file directly using Python, thanks to the if __name __equals __main __ unitest.mange block. The output shows two dots, indicating two tests ran successfully, followed by a summary line confirming that the results are OK. To summarize, you can now write and execute basic unit tests. Next, we look at how to test for failures. Our next lecture 34.03, Assert for exceptions. See you there.